In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or choose a screen to share during a Microsoft Teams meeting. So if you are using multiple screens connected to one device and you wish to select a screen to cast or a presentation to show from a different screen, it's pretty simple. Just head over to your meeting and then go to share here. From this, now you should be able to see under screen. We have various screens that I am using. Currently, I have two screens. You can see we have this and this. I'm currently using this. In case I want to change, I can just switch to this other screen. Also, if you have window tabs open, you can go to any page on your Windows. For instance, if I want to select any of these, I can now click on this and you can see we have various windows or screens that I can choose from. So from this, just select the one you wish to be displayed and now it will be displayed. So that's how you can change your screen to display in Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.